Hi everyone, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to share a swap that I'm in over at Timeless Paper Treasures on Facebook. And my partner this month is Laura Sitlington. Um, and I just got her package in the mail today, and I was just like, oh my gosh. So I took it out of the bubble wrap, and she had this hidden paper clip, and I'm going to show you how it goes. Um, and she made this really cool folder. And oh my gosh, Laura, you're going to have to teach me how to make this. This is such a cute idea for our playing cards. If you don't know, I am in it's called 52 altered playing cards, and we were supposed to alter these playing cards each month. Each month has a different suit. So she was my partner this month, and I just love how this presentation is. And I didn't do anything spectacular this time, and so look, here are all my cards. Isn't this is such a cool idea? I love it. Okay, so let's start. So here's, oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, I love the little bit of gold and this pretty flower. That's one. And then here's the second one. Oh my god, look how cute. This looks like a little nest. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Oh, and I love the Tim Holtz dolls. Oh my gosh. And this one says, leave a little sparkle wherever you go. And she has it with some lace and a flower. Oh my gosh, wow. These are amazing. Look how cool they are. I love them. Oh, look at this one with the little doll and the pretty. Looks like I don't know what is, like glass flowers. It goes very well with the I want to say this is ephemera. Oh my gosh, look at this one. So pretty with the butterfly, and I love these. Those are so pretty. And then here's number 7. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Oh, look at this one with the butterfly and a little bit of gold and another doll. It says, I think it's Chronicles Found. I think this is washi tape. Yep. That is so cool. And then look at this one, has US. No, this is like, feels like canvas. That is so cool. And then she has a white bling here, or flower, and some what do you call it? Crochet trim. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. That one. Oh, I love it, Laura. They are so cool. Oh, I love these. I think these are Tim Holtz. Oh, those are so cool. And these are like canvas. That is so cool. Oh, look at this one. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are amazing. Look at that with the 3D flower and a vase, little butterfly, and she has some canvas stamps, and this guy's sitting on it. So cool. And then here's the Joker. How awesome is that? So we had to alter 13 plus a Joker card, and oh my gosh, and you could have done it any way you wanted. Oh my gosh. And then she's inserted some pretty flowers that she used. Oh, thank you. I love them all. And I love this. I think this is a file folder. It's kind of shiny, but I love this idea. How amazing. And you just clip this back on. Oh my God. I love it. So that is my 52 altered playing card swap over at the Timeless Paper Treasures Facebook group. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.